Građanski nogometni klub Dinamo Zagreb, commonly referred to as GNK Dinamo Zagreb or simply Dinamo Zagreb, is a Croatian professional football club based in Zagreb. The club is the successor of one HŠK Građanski or fully Prvi hrvatski Građanski Sportski Club, which had been founded in 1911, disbanded in 1945 and replaced by the newly founded Dinamo Zagreb. They play their home matches at Stadion Maksimir. They are the most successful club in Croatian football, having won 21 Prva HNL titles, 15 Croatian Cups and 6 Croatian Super Cups. The club has spent its entire existence in top flight, having been members of the Yugoslav First League from 1946 to 1991, and then the Croatian First League since its foundation in 1993. At the end of the World War II, the new communist government of Yugoslavia considered Croatian clubs like HŠK Građanski as fascist and nationalist because they had operated under the former independent state of Croatia, which was an Axis member during the war. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.